guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do a cute Valentine's Day set. So I have a couple colors here and I'm not quite sure which one I'm going to use, but I don't know. I'm still thinking. I'm thinking this one is like my main one. So let's get started. What I like about this one is that it has that shimmer, and I'm going to like scrape this on so I can do two super thin coats. Come in with a second layer. Okay, I'm gonna come in with Wonder Why, and that is in one of my recent hauls, and I'm obsessed. So I'm thinking this one is also going to be a solid nail. I don't really have a direction that I'm going. I have a few things in mind, but I'm still up in the air. This is turning out to be your typical pink and purple Valentine's Day look, and I'm absolutely okay with that. I'm gonna take Misty and I'm gonna put that on my middle finger, and this color is literally perfect for my skin tone because I am pasty. I am scraping this color on just in case I need 3 coats because of the shells under there. All right, I'm going to marble these guys. All right, I'm gonna apply a smelting gel. I'm gonna take a fan brush. Huh. I expected a lighter piece in the middle here. Now with that much polish, I like to give that a double cure, by the way. I am taking number 15 from Après, and I'm just dabbing it on. Now this has been sitting for a little while, so it may not kind of give off its full effect. So I'm giving this a second to kind of dry up before I come in and move it around. I'm gonna do a flower on this guy, taking my 3D gel per usual. So putting the first bead down and pushing. If you notice, I'm switching that silicone tool to match where I want the flower to go and keeping this as the center. I'm gonna cure that. Coming in with my second bead, I'm gonna do the same thing. Another touch of protein bond. That is my secret to keeping this essentially the 3D gel. Got my second bead on there. Coming around. And if you notice, I overlapped where these ones were conjoining. All right, now that our Après ink is dry, I'm gonna come in and essentially force it where I kind of want it to go. Obviously, inks move around, but what I'm trying to do is get some of the ink off certain areas.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to...
Now I'm filling the flower. I'm gonna come in and matte top coat this, and I should have done that way ahead of time. I didn't even think about it. So now I'm gonna have to take a striping brush.
Sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm going to top coat this guy. I'm going to take a foil glue, and this one is from Amazon. It is the McCart one, so I will link it below. However, we are not doing a foil. We are going to do these. I'm gonna ombre this, or attempt to. It could go completely wrong, and I hate it. So we're gonna try. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of cleanser and coming from the back here because I want that pink to show through. Obviously it's like my favorite pink. So I'm trying to just swipe it down. Okay, gonna top coat this. Can we not appreciate that? I mean, the ombre isn't necessarily the best, but that pink. Because I want these to stick really well, I'm using a little bit of gel. This is pink one step. You can use, obviously, whatever you want. You could use clear if you wanted, but I literally had pink one step here.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echo
I'm totally gonna add some of these in.
in around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands.
Anybody want some beads with their powder? Oy vey, that is amazing. Now I feel like I need jewels on all of them. I'm gonna take that Sunset Boulevard. I don't know what that is. I'm just ignoring it and pretending like it will go away.
Through the highways, and on we'll go.
All right, top coating this bad boy. I haven't decided if I actually want jewels on it, so I'm gonna place them. If I don't end up wanting them, they'll be easy to take off, and then I can just re-top coat.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number.
Here we go. I'm obsessed. I feel like it came out so cute. I love it so much. Yes, that pinky nail is giving me like extreme vibes. And then with that pink under it, it's like, yes. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.